Hi, this is Amy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Hi there, welcome to Step 2 It. Today we're going to teach you how to do a heel grind. I'm going to do a right heel grind and then I'm going to do a left heel grind. Keeping my weight on my left foot, taking my right foot forward, I'm going to put my heel to the ground, toe in, and I'm going to grind it out. And usually this step is ended with a coaster step, which is a back together forward. Being able to do the same thing on my left foot, bringing my left heel out, grinding it in and out with a coaster step. Just a little bit quicker, it's going to be a heel grind, coaster step, heel grind, coaster step. Be careful, sometimes that heel might slip on the floor a little bit, but get your grind in there, and that's how you do a heel grind. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.